Oh, I just ordered some Brazilian wavy. Honestly, I don't even remember, but I just ordered this on Friday. Today is the 15th. I ordered this on 10th and it came here at 2 o'clock. It's a Wednesday. Comes in this cute box. I See Princess. And on the back they have their Google info. Okay, so I will say right off the back, the hair is gorgeous. The hair is gorgeous. And this is my first time running my fingers through this hair. Look at that. Yes, and I love it. Literally, I love it. Like, the top looks like it has some pre-plucking to it. I will go in and pluck some more, but as of right now, I won't really have to do much. So they do have the four combs, and I'm just gonna put it on first without adjusting it. Okay, so yeah, coming in like so. So this is a 13 by 4. Okay, so it actually has a pretty nice lace. So as you can see, this right here, this is my hair from underneath the lace. So I'm just gonna pull this down. So pull that down. Do it goes right over. So that's gonna be a really pretty hairline. I can already tell you right now, the hair is just straight line hair.